That's right, folks. It's the Vagrant's Valet, and today we are at the bus station in downtown Bloomington, Indiana for a very special episode of the Vagrant's Valet. Why? I'll tell you exactly what's going on. About 3 weeks ago, I met a homeless guy named Elijah. We did a video. Nice guy, artist type, down on his luck. I'll go ahead and post the link to the video down below. Anyway, for 3 weeks, Elijah has been stuck here in Bloomington, but you know what we're gonna do? Thanks to all the people that have been kind enough to contribute to the channel and follow the link in the description below to contribute, we're gonna buy Elijah a bus ticket. We're gonna get him home to his family down in Evansville, which is about 150 miles away from here. So I think Elijah's around here somewhere. Let's go find him. And let's get Elijah home. Ding, ding. What'd you think? Hey, what's happening, Elijah?
How you doing, man?
I'm doing great. Here we are at the Bloomington Transit Center. You look fantastic.
Yeah, I have to take care of myself.
Oh, fantastic, fantastic.
Okay, wait. Excuse my language. I like that. What is it?
Oh, yeah. Well, you know what? It was the this is my buddy Elijah.
Yes. How you doing?
And we're gonna get him back to Evansville here today. You've been living on the street here in Bloomington for how long?
Well, I got stranded in here for about a week or two, but you know, I've just been taking care of myself since I've been out here.
So where you been sleeping?
I stayed at the. Well, I've been on the streets, but I don't like it because I have really bad anxiety.
Yeah.
Impact, so I don't like staying in the shelters and whatnot. But I stayed in the shelter for the past couple of nights. But other than that, I just been around.
Yeah.
But I don't hang out with nobody. I just stay to myself and try my best to take care of myself.
Oh yeah. Have a seat. This is where the bus is gonna pull up.
Yeah. We do have to park.
Yeah. I got the ticket.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. I think everything.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Well, don't forget. Here, have a seat.
Do you have to you have to show them, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I want to do myself.
So I didn't.
So when I become famous, when I become famous, just know that this guy helped me.
Well, hang on. I didn't necessarily help you. It's the viewers of the YouTube channel Vagrant's Valet. They contribute money to the channel, and they're the ones that paid for the ticket.
Wow.
So.
Oh, hey, well, thank you guys. I appreciate it. Thank you. I know it was like, this guy does not look hopeless at all. No, I've been taking care of myself and just trying to do what's right. But I got shredded out here, and it was a situation where, I think God was trying to show me something. And this, I learned some things since I was out here.
What'd you learn?
Learn you can't trust everybody, even if they have. It's weird to explain. You can't trust everyone you meet, even if they have a good demeanor. You know what I'm saying? And it's not.
Did you get ripped off?
Yeah. It's partially like I would have had the money to leave, but somebody stole my wallet when I was staying with them, and somebody stole my wallet. And,
that sucks.
Yeah. So that's kind of partially the reason why I got stranded, because I had the opportunity to get out of here with the money I had, but they took my things, and then it put me in a state of anxiety where I felt like I couldn't trust nobody, so I was just out here on the streets and just like didn't want to bother anybody.
Yeah.
And I just I just got the courage up to go to a shelter. But since now I'm going back to my hometown, I know the area and I know where to go to get the proper help with my family and whatnot. But here, it takes a lot of strength, to be vulnerable and to be open, and even after you've been hurt, and I'm learning to do that. And it's a slow process for me.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, how'd you get stuck in Bloomington to begin with?
Well, I came here, I was actually going somewhere else, and my ticket, when I bought my ticket, I bought the wrong destination. And so when I got here, I was trying to get a refund, and I couldn't, so I had to buy a whole new one. But I was like, well, since I got to buy a new one, I might as well just hang out here for a little bit, and I didn't do that. So, I got to meeting with locals and whatnot, and I stayed with somebody, and then they, my stuff came up missing. Claimed it wasn't like that, but yeah, it was a totally different story. They said, I know, I feel like I have an intuition, and I just felt like they took my things, and so it's just, I can't really prove it, but I mean, it was like how the situation is, you know, and like it was obvious, like, so you know what I'm saying. It's like if you leave your wallet somewhere, and, you know, you're around your, you know, you just know what's going on. You know, I'm pretty attentive about my things. You know, I like to have nice things. I try to take care of myself. I do receive, or you know, a lot of my things I have, people have given to me, which I'm grateful for. And I try to take care of what I have. But
Were they pretty cool over at the mission there?
something like that. I mean, the workers were nice. The workers were nice.
And you could get a shower and everything?
Yeah, get a shower and whatnot. Well, the showers. I mean, I don't like homeless shelter showers because of the fact they don't always clean them. You know. They don't always clean up the showers, but so it's kind of hard to like want to wash yourself up when the showers are like so dirty. But for the most part,
here we are.
They were good people. It just you know, we're in a homeless community, dealing with the homeless community. It can be a bit of a hassle.
Yeah. Well, what do you got going on in Evansville? What's going to be happening when you get home?
Get back with family, and more likely, I want to get back into college. I was thinking of being here inspired to get back to college.
Oh yeah,
I did go to school in New York City for a little bit, so I'm trying to go back. And probably like college. Probably go to college. I go to a community college.
All right. Well, here I got a few goodies here. A couple apples there.
I want to tell your viewers, thank you a lot. Can I get a link to your channel?
Yeah. It's just and here's a nice coconut water, which is courtesy of Bug Garden.
I appreciate it.
He's one of the viewers here.
Bob, hey, nice to meet you, Bob, brother.
Yeah. I'll send you the link. It's Vagrant's Valet.
Please, I would like to thank you guys in the conversation.
Okay. Well, let's get you on here. Here's your ticket, Elijah.
Congratulations. I appreciate you guys.
Yeah, we'll get.
Thank you. I like to be able to support you.
Yeah. Well, what's been going on with your artwork?
I haven't been able to get focused on it because of struggles. Yeah. But I'm about to get back started.
Okay.
I'll send a link. When I comment on your thing, I'll send a link.
Yeah, fantastic.
All right.
There you go. That's all you need.
Yep.
Good luck to you. Keep in touch.
Will do.
And
that's it. Okay. Excellent. Sounds
okay.
Good. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you.
All right, Elijah.
Thank you.
All right. Good luck to you. All set? Okay. Thank you. All right, Elijah. Good luck to you, man. Ding, ding. Well, there you go. Elijah, I met him on the street about a month ago, and we did a video. I'll go ahead and post the link to the video down below if you want to see the original video. And then he got in touch with me on Facebook Messenger. He's been trying to get back to Evansville. So the viewers of the Vagrant's Valet YouTube channel bought him a ticket, so he's going to be home to his family after struggling on the streets here in Bloomington for I think it's been 3 weeks. It was before I went to Phoenix. So ding, ding. Hey, the magic is happening. And now let's get back to work. Ding, ding. Hold on. Let me give this a nice for good luck here.